Well, with the fan on, it idles at a steady, say about 850, which is what Haynes and Toyota specify for the 4A-GE. But it doesn't actually change an awful lot. Mine goes down to about 750, which is slightly too low, but it works. It doesn't judder too much. So that is pretty well what a 4A-GE should sound like. Bearing in mind, I've just rebuilt mine about 6 months ago, using ACL racing bearings and ARP rod bolts, but nothing major. It's pretty well a standard 4A-GE. So if you've got a standard car, this is pretty well exactly what they should sound like. And my exhaust isn't even that loud, so it doesn't overpower it. That is about, well, that's how smooth you want it to be, and it should idle at about 850, well, 750 to 850, but 850 is preferable because mine is just slightly too low. But an air leak is the problem that I've got, so that's the only reason why I don't adjust mine, my idle to rest at 850 normally, because it just ends up throwing it off on cold idle, and it goes up to about 2,500 RPM, which is just way too high for a cold start. But yeah, that should help a few of you who have questions about what it should sound like.